A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School, Lonavala. Standard 5th, Subject EVS 2. Lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind. Children, in the previous lesson, we learned that the primitive man evolved from apes. The next step for humans was learning to use their hands effectively to make tools. Children, the history of the evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided in various stages. From that few stages today we are going to learn in this chapter. Children, there were main 5 stages which we are going to study. They are Homo Habilis, Homo Erectus, Homo Neanderthalensis, Homo sapien and Homo sapien and sapien. Let's start. First one, skilled human, that is Homo Habilis. The species of human who could use their hands skillfully is known as the skilled human. The first evidence of this species was found in that border region between Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis because beside their fossilized remains, he found some tools made by them. The characteristics of Homo habilis are: he could stand on 2 feet and walk. His spine was slightly bent and not quite erect. His brain was bigger than the apes, although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were used for hunting small animals. They gathered eggs, wild fruits, and roots to eat. Second, Homo erectus. Compared to Homo habilis, Homo erectus had a more developed brain. Humans of the Homo erectus species lived in groups. Homo erectus had learned the techniques of fetching the burning branches of trees to use that fire. He knew about fire. Due to this, he could survive in that extremely cold climate. Tools made by Homo erectus were more developed and symmetrical compared to those made by Homo habilis. For example, Homo erectus made tools like hand axe. Remains of Homo erectus have been found along with his tools in the continents of Africa, Asia, Europe. Homo Neanderthalensis, that is Neanderthal man. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo Neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He was called Neanderthal man because his first remains were found in Neanderthal Valley, a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than Homo erectus. Neanderthal man lived in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flakes scraped off from them, like the spear axe, etc. They hunted big animals. They used leather clothing. They were mainly meat eaters. They eat meat roasted on fire. They invented fire techniques by rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other or by striking one flint stone on another to obtain sparks. They had developed some artistic skill. Some scientists believe that they also communicated with each other. Neanderthal has established some ritual of burying the dead. In the course of time, some groups of Neanderthals left Africa and migrated up to continent of Europe, Asia, and all over the world. They had to adopt new way of living and finding food. Therefore, they went on modifying and improving the tools that were essential in their life. The improvements tools took place over thousands of years. Children, let's have fast recap. We have learned today's video. We learned various stages of human mankind. Homo habilis. In Latin, homo means man and habilis means one who uses his hands skillfully. Homo erectus, the one who stands erect. Hence the name Homo erectus. Homo Neanderthal, more developed human compared to Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Their features we learn one by one. Right? This all we learned in today's video. That's all for today, children. Go through the video again and again. Read the lesson. Mark and note down new words. Thank you. Take care and keep learning something new.